Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. And today's video, I've been asked numerous times to create a bracelet using the curved cross. Now these are available in silver and bronze from createathomewithg.com. It is approximately just over 2 inches long, or 5.5 centimeters. It has a round bail at each end, so it's perfect for a bracelet. I'm going to use some chain, jump rings and lobster clasps from my stash instead of taking them from stock, but all those items are available from my store, so everything you see here you can purchase from me. I've got a 5-inch piece of chain. Now you will have to measure the person's wrist you want to make this for, because you have to incorporate the 2 inches, which is going to be part of the actual total length of the bracelet. I have this religious icon pendant. Now I'm not too sure how well that is going to show up. So I'm going to attach that using a jump ring onto the bottom of the cross. Now all I've done is I've opened the jump rings by pulling them apart. So, and again, I'm not too sure how well this will show up. Of the jump ring have been pulled apart, and then I shall just close them to make one continuous ring. So that's going to be on there like that. On this same jump ring, I don't know why I just closed it, I need to open again. I need to attach the chain, so let's do that. So attach the chain, and I think instead of having the lobster clasp do up underneath the wrist, I quite like the idea of the lobster clasp being attached to the chain, at the end of the chain, which is what I'm doing now. Just attaching the clasp and putting the jump rings together, and then using this other round compartment at the end and using that to put the lobster clasp on, so it looks like that. So I'm just going to put it on my wrist to show you what it looks like. So it'll go on like that. You'll have the little dangling pendant here, and then you'll use the lobster clasp to attach to this bit here. I can't do it because I need someone else to do it, but I'm all tongue-tied this morning. It will look like that once done. So really simple, very cheap, a really neat idea for a little gift for someone you care about, and very, very cheap, but it's something that you would obviously make yourself, so there's lots of sentimental meanings. Thank you very much for joining me, crafters. I hope you find it's beneficial in some way. If you're looking for these items, there will be a link for my store below. It's createathomewithg.com, and these items are all available there. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very, very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.